The day is October 22nd, 2024, and this day we'll visit Bodie State Historic Park together. It happens to be a mildly overcast and windy day with very few visitors, and we'll have a quiet and thoughtful visit to ourselves. Let's get some minor details out of the way so that we can have a more profound visit. Bodie is an actual genuine ghost town, located just south of the town of Bridgeport and north of Mono Lake off Highway 395. The road into Bodie is 10 miles of mostly dirt, but easily navigable with any vehicle, and high clearance isn't necessary. The road is closed in winter. Around 10,000 people used to live here. In 1877, the town founded its name after Waterman Bodie, who had discovered small amounts of gold in the hills north of Mono Lake. Bodie today remains in a state of arrested decay, meaning that the interiors of buildings remain as they were left, stocked with tools, good machinery, bedding, and even alcohol on the bar's shelves. Bodie is rumored to be haunted, and people who removed items from the town have encountered bad luck to the point where many went through the trouble of returning the items they took at their own expense, even from as far away as Finland. The cost of entry is $8 for adults, kids are $5, and infants up to 3 years old are free. The hours of operation are 9 a.m. to 4 p.m., and you should check road conditions for closures due to snow at any time. Okay, let's get on with the show. The once thriving gold mining town of Bodie faded further into obscurity. The last echoes of laughter and toil dissipated into the wind, replaced by the creaking of dilapidated wooden structures and the rustle of desert grasses reclaiming the land. With the gold rush dwindling and its people departing for greener pastures, Bodie became a haunting reminder of ambition turned to dust. Nature, resilient and unyielding, slowly enveloped the town, leaving only whispers of its vibrant past and the tales of those who sought fortune, ultimately succumbing to the relentless march of time. Now Bodie is a state historic park, standing as a silent testament to both the dreams and the harsh realities of life in the Wild West, preserving its legacy in the memories of those who wander its desolate streets. While roaming the solitary and cold streets of Bodie on this particular trip, I was inspired to write a short prose. On Bodie streets, where winds still moan, whispers drift through wood and stone, shadows linger by the rusted door, echoes of lives that breathe no more. A miner's pick that struck too deep, dreams abandoned, now buried in sleep, the saloon's laughter, the gambler's grin, faint as smoke from forgotten sin. The schoolhouse bell has long gone still, yet lessons ride on each desert chill. Windows watch with hollowed eyes, where lost hopes beneath the sagebrush lie. No tombstone tells their tale complete, only the dust beneath our feet. In Bodie, the past won't fade away, for ghosts walk by night and dream by day.